Today we're going to have some fun in the shop. We are going to make a Bluetooth speaker with one of these Rockler Bluetooth speaker kits. But we're not going to make a square one. Nah. We're going to make a flattened sphere. Stick around. Let's get to it. Okay, folks. This is a pretty easy project. I basically took a 3-inch cube of wood, camphor in this case, drilled the required 1 7/8 inch hole completely through it, mounted it on the lathe, turned it to shape, and installed the parts from the kit. Now, you can make your speaker look any way you like. I've seen all sorts of shapes utilized on the web, vases, even miniature musical instruments. The possibilities are only limited to your imagination. This scrap piece of MDF is actually pretty important. Not only does it control the blowout during the drilling operation, it also becomes a template to ensure that our final shape is actually spherical. The template is used throughout the turning process to ensure that the shape is headed in the right direction. I have to apologize for the poor focus in this next segment. However, I felt the footage was too important to omit, so there you go. Here, the template is being used to mark the center of the sphere to complete shaping on this side. Due to the fact that the sphere has 2 flat faces, it is less than 3 inches from front to back. The calipers are used to measure the completed half and determine the actual length needed, and the excess is paired off. The bidan tool is used to flatten the edges so that the chrome bezel around the speaker and control pod can sit flush against the sphere. This dimension is also checked with calipers to ensure a good fit. This unit will sit so that the speaker point slightly up from vertical, so a flat must be formed for it to rest on. This is done at the disc sander. The position is mocked up loosely by eye, taking note of any special features in the grain, and then a flat is sanded on the sphere. While the video rolls on, I just want to take a moment to let you know that there is useful information in the description box below. You can find links to most of the products that I use, as well as any applicable discount codes. You'll also find links to my other social media platforms and links to the music that I'm using. Okay, back to work. Now it's time for some assembly. This is also fairly straightforward. The speaker and control panel are a press fit into the 1 7/8 inch holes that were drilled earlier. You want to insert the speaker first, Wiring the control pod is also easy to do. Simply plug the harness with the red wire into the red receptacle on the pod, and then the remaining harness into the black receptacle. Finally, press in the control pad, and that's it. Nothing left to do but power it on, pair it to your device, and play your favorite tunes or videos. I have to say that I'm fairly impressed with the sound quality from this kit. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please share it with others. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of new content. Thank you for joining me in my shop. Be safe when you're working in yours, and remember to dread not and make something. Peace.